right, Dave, what do we got going on today?
We got some windows going on today.
Nice. What else?
Some different tires and wheels for this bad boy.
Yep. So we got some testing plans, but we do want to show you tonight the new windows we have from Dirt Warriors already for it, and we'll get those installed and throw on the new tires, and yeah, it should be a pretty good one. Alright, so this is what the plan is. So as you guys know, on the Pro XP we have had the chicanes, STI chicanes here. They're 35's. But these, for our testing that we're going to be doing this weekend, we're going to be running them on the KRX. So we have a good test place that we're heading that's going to be a little bit different, and it should be an awesome video. But what we're doing is finally throwing on our Zillas, our big boys here, on the Pro XP.
Had them in the garage forever.
Seriously, I've got the 3 already on. We'll install this last one. If you guys haven't checked out Rocky Mountain, as you know, we run tons and tons of Tusk rims. They're at a great price, and they're a simple price, and they work great.
Yep.
Like, you can't go wrong, and they look good. So we're running the same style on basically the KRX, the Honda Talon, and now the Pro XP with the Zillas. But now we have options to kind of switch off the tires for the Pro. And as you know, these tires do fit the KRX. So Pro XP tires do fit the KRX. The key is that you have to use the same lugs that are tapered for each machine and keep them to the machine, because they are a little bit different thread. So other than that, they fit perfect, no issues. We've heard different things on Facebook, but I've already tried that all out. Good to go. And we'll show you tonight how we're throwing the Pro XP chicanes on the new KRX4. So real quick, thanks to Kawasaki. Shout out to them for letting us use the 4-seater for a good month or so, and get some testing on it, and letting us throw tires on it and stuff like that too. Hey Dave, how does it feel, dude? Like, way different on 35's?
I think I can jump a lot further.
I mean, we just pulled it out of the garage, and our review is that these 35's make all the difference.
They do, man. Come on.
Looks good.
What's that?
I said it looks good.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Alright guys, now it's time to get into the windshield. So, one thing that you haven't seen yet is our new windshield from Dirt Warriors for the Voodoo cage. So I had it powder coated to match the cage. They tucked it up there really nicely underneath my light bar. They actually added a lot more glass. If you look at the surface area, it's quite wide. Very nice. And the best part that I like about it is over here on the cross member bar, these wrap clear up, and they're actually really easy to get to with your hands. So makes it pretty easy. But we're gonna get this added to the website. So this is the Dirt Warriors front windshield for the Voodoo cage. And just remember, select custom color and we can get you set up. We'll start communicating. It does cost you a little bit more, but we can do custom colors. So we'll jump over to the 4-seater, and we're gonna get windows thrown on this one. So right now I'm gonna tell you the front window that we're going to be putting on the KRX4 is exactly the same as the 2-seater. So there's no changes. You can order the 2-seater and 4-seater window. It's up on our website now, and you can throw it on. There's no changes with that. But when we get ready to install the rear one, that one has been completely remapped. So as you can see, this cage is a lot more straight up and down. And also they have these braces in where the seat belts attach. So this is all different than the two-seater. So they did have to, Dirt Warriors had to build a whole new window for the rear. So when you get onto our website, we actually have a listing just for the four-seater, and that's where you can find the rear windshield. And we're gonna get that installed tonight and show you guys how to do that, because there's a little bit different trick on that one, but it looks awesome. And we will have them on the machine for a little bit while we do our testing as well. So let's jump into that part, get them installed, and we can talk a little bit about them. Okay, so the rear windshield is a little bit different, like we've been saying, and it actually installs different. So the two-seater, you actually pop the big piece on first, and then the outside pieces and bolt them together. This one you actually do the outside pieces first, and they're gonna slide right in, and you gotta get them up, and then you gotta get them under the piece right there. So basically that seal will go right underneath your roll cage, right down the other side, and then they'll mount like that. So we want to get both sides on. You can bring it out actually just like that. So that way this all seals here. So we'll throw the other side on just like that, and then we'll put on all the bracing and stuff. But that's basically what we do. And you do have to push down a little bit to get it underneath. They just sit like that, pretty simple. Alright guys, so that's it for the install of the front and rear windshield. Just remember, you're going to tuck these pieces in first. The main glass goes over the top, and then everything screws down. And it's going to be really tight. Like, it was tight to get it all in, but once you get it in and get it started, it goes right on. Make sure you unclip the roof. These lights are here. If you don't have these lights on your machine, it will be a little bit easier.
Yeah, there's more room.
So that's the main thing. But otherwise, the fit and finish is really nice. You can catch these on our website now. They're up and they're ready to roll to order. And again, just like all the rest of the Dirt Warrior products that we've been selling for quite a while and running on all of our machines, it's great quality. Awesome fit in the back. Yep. So very pleased with all that. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video of putting some 35's on and windshields that we carry, and also the Voodoo windshield now that we carry. Dirt Warriors makes for the Voodoo cage. And now it's time to do some testing.
Heading to the mountains.
Yep. So we're gonna have a great time, and we're gonna give you guys all those answers that you've been asking for.
You're gonna get four fat guys in this thing and go to 10,000 feet.
Yep, it's time to get out of the sand dunes and rocks, because that's not where everybody rides. So we're gonna go enjoy ourselves somewhere else. So this is Garrett and Dave on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Make sure whatever you pack in, you pack out, and we'll see you.